Hello everybody! It has been a while. I had to take a break because I had a final on Monday, so I kind of just had to study for that and then got it done, and then yesterday I kind of just like took a break from everything, so lots has happened. I don't know if it's TMI, but I guess it's literally the point of vlogging. I have an infection on my thumb, so I had to go on antibiotics. Oh my god. My final went pretty good on Monday. It was for my hardest class to have had this term, so I'm kind of just happy to have it over. For the most part, I think it went fine. There was obviously a couple questions that were questionable, but yeah, I'm just happy it's over. I have two more now, one on the 17th, one on the 20th. Unfortunately, my car decided to kind of be dramatic again, so something's up and I'm probably gonna have to take it to the mechanic soon here in the next few days, but I work Friday and Saturday, so I don't really know how that's gonna work. We'll figure that out. That's a later problem. I know that I'm very behind on my advent calendar, so today is the 13th? Yeah, today's the 13th. I feel like the last time I did this was like, it looks like the 9th. Okay, I did the 10th, so the 11th. And I feel like if I remember correctly, the 12th is always, yeah, because it's halfway, so they give you a little bear. And then I also have the 13th. Chocolate. I had a dentist appointment this morning. I'm literally about to eat 3 pieces of chocolate. Oh well. Girl, why are you filming this? It's like noon now. I think I'm going to edit. Honestly, I have such a mismatch of like vlog clips from the past little bit. I think I have like one full vlog, and then I think I'm gonna make another vlog of just like random clips. So I'm gonna edit and post those so that I'm back on track. And then I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning. Here, I don't even know what I have for like groceries or anything, so I might have to go grocery shopping. But I feel like I've just been like out of the game for a couple days because I was just trying to like get my final done, and then I wasn't here for a day, so it's like, yeah. Anyways, that's the plan for the day. Oh my god, there's a little bug on my phone. I literally just jumped so bad. Oh, that scared the fuck out of me. Hello, it's been a while. I've literally done the worst job of vlogging today, like it's actually crazy, but it's now like 8:30. I think the last time I vlogged was like noon or something, so it's been a bit, but I don't really have anything else to do tonight except I am gonna go on a cleaning rampage, so I thought that I would just bless you with a very satisfying time lapse of me cleaning, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoy watching me clean my house. This one's for you, Grace.